Hello friends, welcome again. I am creating this video online medicine store. I have developed in Python and Django. So I have used dual type of UI, means for admin, and there is a different UI for user, that there will be a different UI. So we created this project using two different types of UI, and both are the bootstrap theme. And also I am using latest version of Python, that is Python 3.12, and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using. So this is a front end page of the project. So this project title is Online Medicine Store. I had developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project. Like this you can see, and also you can see there is a slider. You can see there is a slider on the running on the page, and it's coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see here categories which are coming from the database. So this is a home page. This is a about us page. You can see this is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a products page. You can see all the medicines here. This is totally dynamic page. All medicines are coming from the database. Same for categories. You can see here 8 categories. You can add the number of categories in this page, and all categories are coming from the database. This is also a dynamic page. This is a register page. Here user can register here, and this is a login, admin login and customer login, and this is a contact us page. You can see this is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page, and you can see we have integrated a small map. So now click on the products. If you want to buy Ascof cough syrup, click on the view details. So there is a restrictions, without login you can't buy the any medicine. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any medicine. So you need to have user account, like a username is customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. This is a user dashboard. You can see this is a very great dashboard. You can see total orders, confirmed orders, in transit orders, delivered orders. You can see here important links. You can easily see this page from this important links, and you can see the order ID. If you want to see the details, you can click on the eye icon. First you can click on the products. If you want to buy the Ascof cough syrup, click on the view details. Click on the So if you want to click Ascof cough syrup, click on the view details. You can see the details of this products, okay, and you can here add the number of quantity like a 1, 2, 3, and click on the add to cart. You can see your you have added 2 items, and amounts get calculating automatically, and click on the proceed to checkout. This is a make payment page. This is a dummy page, not real payment gateway. You can add the anything, any card number, name of card like a Visa, expiry date, CVV number, and click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done, and the order has also confirmed. You can see your order details from this page. So now if you want to see your orders, click on the My Orders page. You can see your order details. If you want to see your order history, you can click on the eye icon. You can see your order details. If you want to update your account, you can click on My Account section page. You can easily update account, and this is a change password. You can easily change the password. So this is all about the front end panel. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see the administration option is showing, logout option is also showing, and the if I log out, then you can see upper menu has been changed because of the session driven. Customer has login, so the system is checking who is login, and accordingly so that the upper menu has displaying. So this is all about the front end panel, what we have developed inside the project online medicine store. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open first admin. So first you need to log in. Click on the admin login. You can see, you can click on the username admin and the password is test, and now click on sign in. You can see this is a admin dashboard. This is a very attractive dashboard. You can see your here quick menu, all products, available categories, registered customers, all orders. You can see all the details from this page: total order, order delivered, confirmed order, order in transit, total order, total customers. You can see. So now click on the products management page. Here add products. Admin can easily add new products from this page, and here you can also see the product report. And this is a product report page. You can see all the product report. You can easily here edit and delete option. You can easily edit here and delete also. If you click on edit, you can see the product report will be open in edit format. You can see there is a pagination here. You can see there is a basic pagination. You can easily convert the you can easily export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. If you want column has been not visible, then click on click on the image. You can see the image has not visible. If you click on that, then image has been visible. So this is the power of the table. Same for the category. Add category page. Here admin can easily add new category from this page, and here you can also see the category report. And same for the product report, you can see all the category report. You can easily edit and delete from here. If you want to click on edit button, you can see the category will be visible in edit format. Same for the order management. You can see easily all the order reports from this page. You can edit order, view items, and the cancel orders from this page. If you want to click cancel, you can see the order has been cancelled successfully. If you want to click on view item, you can easily see the order details, and you can easily open in the edit format. Click on the edit order, you can see the edit. So you can also export the data like a product report data. You can easily export is a CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. Say now click on the customer management. This is a add customer page. You can easily add the new customer from this page, and this is a customer report. You can see easily all the customer report from this page, and this is a change password. Here admin can easily change his password, and this is a logout options. So this is all the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different types of view for the managing this whole project, online medicine store, and this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any type of feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. Don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.